Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be doing another classic Italian pasta dish. I'm doing penne Amatriciana, classic sauce, and I'm basically making it because some of you might have seen when I did the carbonara classic recipe, I was using this guanciale for that, and I want to use the rest of this up, so that's exactly what I need to do this dish. I've also got some more pecorino. I've got a tin, 400 grams of peeled organic Italian tomatoes, and that's it. Nothing else is going into this recipe at all. And I just want to thank my friends, good friends of this channel, over at mypinchofitaly.co.uk for the recipe today. And it's a great website to go to if you want to look up classic, authentic and regional type Italian dishes. And I'll just quickly read you what they say about this dish, about Amatriciana sauce. What Amatriciana doesn't need is chilies, aromatic herbs, Parmigiano cheese, pancetta or bacon, unless you can't get guanciale. It doesn't need oil, butter, margarine, garlic or onions. So we're going to aim for authentic today. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so I've just taken my guanciale and I've taken the rind off it, and I've just sliced it into little slices like so. Guanciale, as you probably know, is the cured pig jowl or pig cheek, and it's got a really good high content of fat in it, and that is going to be our main flavour in this pasta dish. And so it's really important that we render that fat out of our guanciale. And so to that end, I've started in a cold pan, but it's heating up now, and we're just going to let that fry. And then once most of the fat's rendered out and this starts going cooked and translucent, we'll take our guanciale pieces out, leaving the fat in there, and we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, so I've just taken my pieces of guanciale out of that pan, but we're still left with all that, like I said, that rendered fat, and there's lots of it, and that's what we want. So I've just reduced the heat slightly on that, and the next thing I'm going to add, peeled tomatoes. At the same time I'm cooking my penne pasta over here, which I'm going to cook for a couple of minutes less than what the recommendations are on this packet, and that's about 400 grams. Now this tomato we're just going to let simmer for around 20 minutes or so. And I've also grated my block of 150 grams of pecorino, that nice salty sheep's cheese. I've grated the whole lot of it, but at this stage I'm just going to throw in about half of that. And like I say, we'll just leave that to simmer away for a little while. Alrighty go, guys. So my Amatriciana sauce there, it's been simmering away for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to, now I've tasted that, it doesn't need any salt. The sharpness, the saltiness, the pecorino cheese is plenty, but I am going to add a good hit of cracked black pepper. Don't be stingy. Now my 4/5 cooked penne is going to go into that sauce. Along with my cooked bits of guanciale. We're just going to stir that up and coat all those bits of penne with our sauce. A beautiful, rich pork flavoured sauce, pork and tomato. And I'm just going to leave that in there just for another 5 minutes just to cook away. Now I've just turned the heat off our Amatriciana sauce, and that pecorino cheese that we've set aside, I'm just going to sprinkle that. I'll just give that one last quick stir, and then we'll serve it.
Amatriciana, Italian.
Amatriciana.
Amatriciana, Italian.
Amatriciana. 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 Alrighty guys, so I've just served up a plate of my penne Amatriciana. Really simple, really easy as you saw. Relatively very few ingredients. Man, I'm looking forward to it though. It looks fantastic. Let's just see if we can get a little bit up close. So that's what it sort of looks like. Let's taste it. Alright, that is just absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness, it is so good, and I'm so glad I went down the road of not adding onion, garlic, chili. And trust me, I was very tempted, but man, just the taste of that tomato, the sharpness of the cheese, the saltiness, that beautifully rendered pork flavour, it's just unique. It's so good. Look, I just want to thank my friends again at mypinchofitaly.co.uk for a wonderful recipe. I'll put a link to that recipe, this recipe in particular, on their website down in the description. So please check it out. Do yourself a favour. And while you're there, have a look around. You'll just be amazed. Alrighty. Not much more I can say about that. It is absolutely delicious. So thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I really, really appreciate it. I always say that, but I absolutely mean it. Thanks so much, guys. Yeah, gives me the motivation to keep going. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription button? That'd be great. But if you don't want to, yeah, no problem. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate that anyway, even if you're not a subscribing sort of person. And I will see you all next time.